Can you show Mommy the sign for milk? Here, scoot back so I can see you. Here, Shamey, look. Look at Mama. Hey, do the sign for milk. Seamus, show Mommy milk. Seamus, look. Do the sign for milk. Good boy. Do milk. Do it again. Milk. Here, hold your hand up and do it again. Do milk. Seamus, do milk. Here, hold your hand up and do milk. Look, what's the sign for milk? Good boy, Seamus. Milk.
Can I do milk, Mama?
Yeah, Olivia, you do milk too. Oh, good girl, Olivia. Seamus, do it again. Do milk. Seamus. Do milk. Do milk. Show Mama the sign. Milk. Here, hold your hand up and do it. Milk. Good boy, milk. Milk. Right? Milk. Milk. Seamus. Seamus. Milk. Hold your hand up. Look. That's a good boy.